This video, let's try to understand the concept of price band, and we will use that information to do stock selection. First, let's try to understand what is a price band. Then we will also see why these stocks hits that price band on any given day. In addition, we will also see what is the maximum percentage that it can move on the upper side and lower side. And with this information, we will discuss what is the strategy that we need to employ in order to decide whether to buy or sell a stock. First, let us see the definition of price band. So it is basically used to limit the excessive movement of stock on either the upper or lower side. For example, let us say there is a stock called SBI and the results came negative because of some other information or results, something came negative about the stock start falling down. When the stock start falling down, more and more retail or traders will, or the FIA will do a short selling. Because of that, the stock will try to keep moving down. In order to prevent that, in the National Stock Exchange and BSE stock in the Bombay Stock Exchange had set a certain limit. That is, they mentioned that the stock will not move either this much percentage on the upper side and this much percentage on the lower side. That is, if you have invested some money, if the short selling is continuously happening, stock price will keep decreasing. So they have set the limit that it will not move more than 5% on any given day. So that is the limit. We will see it will vary for different stocks. Some stock will have 10% limit based on the price. Some stock will have 5% limit. We will see that information and we will get a clear idea. I'm in NSE India website. We'll first see the price band for a particular company. I will go and choose Wipro. So we'll see the price band for Wipro. So once you click this information, you will have this lower band and upper band. You can see the information. This is the lower price band for the stock and upper price band. The current price is 280 and the previous close is 282. So how this price band is arrived is, it's very simple. They take the previous close price and take the 10% of previous close price, which is 28.2. 10% of 282 is 28.2. So they add the value of 28.2 to the current price and arrive at this upper end price band. On the positive side, it will go to 310. If you add 280 plus 28, 282 plus 28, it will go to that value. And if you subtract 282 minus 28.2, you get this value of lower price band. So you don't have to calculate it. It is already in the website. We just have to know about this. Now we'll go and see what are the stocks which had hit the upper and lower price bands. So just type live analysis. So this information is only for intraday. You should not do this for long term, because the stocks that hitting the lower and upper circuit will have very less volume. What we are going to do is, you are going to click on the left side. You have this price band hitters. Now you click on this information and we'll have all the stocks with lower price band and upper price band. You can filter the securities with the price and further with the volume. So I'm going to choose all the securities and I will sort it based on the volume information. So we have S Bank. So what is the strategy here that needs to be employed is, once a stock hits the upper price band, it will definitely correct within a day or two. If not immediately, the next day, within another 1 or 2 days or 3 days, it will definitely correct it. Maximum it will go on the positive side for 3 or 4 days. You should not be taking the position for that stock on that particular day immediately, but you have to observe it. Once the stock gets locked on, makes a downside, you need to immediately short it in intraday. So this is applicable only for intraday. It is not advisable to go with long term or short term stock, because if the stock get locked in the lower circuit, it will be very difficult to exit it. So I am again and again saying only for intraday, that too if your broker allows it for this. So first you need to observe the stock which had hit the upper price band, and once it starts moving down, we will go along with the dump. We call it as a pump and dump scam. We will use this wave of dump to make some profit use only for intraday. So this is one kind of information where you can know the circuits in upper band and lower price band. So here you also can see the lower price band, and stock that hit both the price band, it will oscillate between both of things, upper and lower immediately, and then these are the informations. So you can just take a look, and I hope you got to know what is a price band, how to analyze the positive band and lower circuit and upper circuit of a stock. In addition, you cannot place a order more than the price band that is given. Your order, it will show the circuit has limited this thing, you will get some information, error information. So this is basically, that's all about the price band. Thank you, bye bye.